Welcome back, everybody. Let's get the latest on what you need to know for our first alert weather day tonight into tomorrow morning. Already seeing a little bit of light accumulations in the Devil's Lake area. This is our view from our Home of Economy sky cam, and you can see a little bit maybe there on the street light, seeing the wind driven snow. The wind is going to be a bigger issue than the snowfall come later tonight. Here's a DOT snapshot in the Devil's Lake area as well along North Dakota Highway 2. Roads starting to get a little snowy, a little slick in parts of the Devil's Lake area. Areas that you see highlighted in pink are covered with snow, a little bit of ice too at this time. Areas shaded in blue are patchy with snow and ice. Green still good to go for now. But here's what we're seeing on the satellite and radar, that wintry transition taking place right through the I-29 corridor in the Northern Valley, in a bit of transition zone in Lemoore, Ransom, Dickey, and Sargent counties as well. Moderate to heavy snow where we see some of these darker blues starting to take shape. And with some more moderate to heavy snowfall expected, our snowfall potential forecast has increased. We'll take a look at that here in just a second. But first, the wind starting to pick up in northeastern North Dakota, gusting right out of the north to 29 miles per hour in Langdon, 25-mile-per-hour winds in Devil's Lake. But check out Minot, gusting into the 40s for the last hour to 2 hours. That's creating issues with visibility. So it's not only the falling snow impacting visibility, but wind-driven snow blowing and drifting is going to continue to cause issues. A half a mile visibility now in Langdon, 1.5 miles in Grand Forks, 1.25 miles in Devil's Lake. Still sitting right at freezing in Devil's Lake and in Langdon, 33. Grand Forks, Thief River still here at 40. In Fargo, 34. In Oaks, just now dropping to 33 in Jamestown. Your first alert forecast: snow is going to continue to spread in, and the wind is going to continue to pick up. Expecting the worst of the conditions late tonight and into our Saturday morning, with accumulating snow and blowing snow. So this is what it looks like overnight. The snow continuing to overspread before transitioning out tomorrow morning to the south and to the east. But winds overnight tonight and into our Saturday morning, in some areas gusting upwards of 50 miles per hour. So near blizzard conditions will be possible for some folks late tonight through tomorrow morning. Even once the snow exits tomorrow, it's still going to remain blustery, so we could still be seeing some ground drifting and blowing of the snow as well, even once the snow stops falling. A blustery and chilly day for tomorrow. Here's the latest snowfall potential forecast: 4 to 6 inches up in parts of the northern Red River Valley, northeastern North Dakota. Again, a slower moving system, some banding of some heavier snow possible. I think right around 2 inches here in Fargo. It's a little bit more than we were expecting yesterday. Lesser amounts down to the south and to the east. The big question is how much is going to be melting before it really begins to accumulate. What is not a question is the wind. Here's by 3 a.m. gusting near 40 in Fargo, higher gusts a little earlier in parts of the northern Red River Valley. Looking ahead, cold this weekend, still quite windy through our Saturday, breezy again Monday. But Courtney, don't worry, we're not full-fledged winter quite yet. We still have 30s in a couple areas, or a couple days rather, in the low 40s to look forward to.
Those excited about it said winter is here, and I said, hold up, it's gonna melt next week. Yeah. Summer said so.
Yes.
And I'm holding her to it. Thanks, Summer.